Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add medical information on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, go to user and account. Okay, tap this. Here in user and account, okay, scroll down and below you can see the emergency information. The emergency information is info and contact for owner of this itel S15 mobile phone. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the emergency information. Here in emergency information and medical information, you can see the edit information. You'll have to do is tap this to add the medical information on your device. So okay, you can add the name, address, blood type, allergies, medication, organ donor, or medical note. So okay guys, from example, I add the allergy. So you'll have to do is tap the allergy and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can add the allergy you have. So for my example, so you can add here allergy you have, and okay, after that tap the OK button. We have successfully add the medical information on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.